I am in Knoxville, Tennessee today. Kind of decided on a whim to come up and check this out. I don't really know much about what I'm doing. I'm gonna kind of do a cursory overview and then maybe come back up and do a couple like more in-depth videos at another point. But yeah, I'm walking around downtown Knoxville right now, so y'all stay tuned.
I'm Parker Brewer, and I travel the roads less taken. Follow along as I go way off the beaten path.
Yeah, so here I'm in Knoxville, Tennessee. Knoxville is the home of the flagship of University of Texas, which I didn't know until just now, as well as the Tennessee Valley Authority headquarters. Just kind of meandering now. I'm walking away from like the main strip. They have quite a cool like shopping strip here, but I'm walking away from that. There's a lot of people there. I'm gonna go check out something else a little bit less crowded and see what else I can find the opposite direction from all the other people. Yeah, stay tuned, y'all. So, kind of looks like I'm in a market thing. I've been kind of meandering down and around the theater district in Knoxville. Apparently there are districts here. Fun facts. So we're in the theater district. I'm at Market Square now, but everything you've seen so far has kind of been in that district area. I'm gonna grab my car and head over to the Arts District now. See if they have beer over there. I'm looking for a brewery and I haven't found anything here yet. It's mostly just like restaurants and shopping here. So I'm gonna go see if I can't find a brewery, get a beer, something like that. Hanging out in Knoxville. I'm fairly sure I found some barbecue and some beer. And you know me, I love my barbecue. So I'm gonna go check that out and see if there's anything doing that way, and grab some food, grab a drink, and I might go check out the old town, I might not, we'll have to see, but that it remains to be seen. Stay tuned. right, y'all, I think I'm gonna call it on this one. Grab some great barbecue, really, really good barbecue. You know it's good barbecue when you can like taste the campfire basically that was made on. Amazing barbecue. But oh well. Yeah, Knoxville's definitely an interesting city. There's a lot that I did not get to explore. It hosted the World's Fair at one point, 1982, I believe. Hosted one of those, 1982. But it's got a lot of country music history and a lot of different kind of mountain and river history. It's got the Tennessee River runs right through it. So yeah. But anyway, it's an awesome place, that's for sure, and I definitely suggest checking it out if you ever have the chance. It is about 2 hours down the road from Asheville. I think I've done everything I meant to do, so I'm heading home. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.